Subscribe Chemistry Nails. Thanks. 1. Basidiomycota is also called as A. Club mosses, B. Club fungi, C. Sac fungi, D. Bread mold. Answer: B. Club fungi. 2. Termites cut wood with the help of enzyme produced by A. Trichonella, B. Trypanosoma, C. Trichonymph, D. Trichinas. Answer: C. Trichonymph. 3. A protist that forms seaweeds is A. Red algae, B. Brown algae, C. Green algae, D. Diatoms. Answer: B. Brown algae. 4. Basidiocarp is formed in the A. Secondary mycelium, B. Primary mycelium, C. Tertiary mycelium, D. Pathogenic parasites. Answer: A. Secondary mycelium. 5. Best known apicomplex is the A. Obligate parasites, B. Facultative parasites, C. Malarial parasites, D. Pathogenic parasites. Answer: C. Malarial parasites. 6. All of the following belong to phylum Protista except A. Protozoa, B. Oomycota, C. Gymnomycota, D. Deuteromycota. Answer: D. Deuteromycota. 7. The cell wall of fungus-like Protista is composed of A. Chitin, B. Cellulose, C. Moraine, D. Lignin. Answer: B. Cellulose. 8. Nuclear mitosis occurs in the kingdom A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Plantae, D. Fungi. Answer: B. Protista. 9. Entamoeba belongs to the phylum A. Sporozoa, B. Sarcodina, C. Mastigophora, D. Microspora. Answer: B. Sarcodina. 10. Carotenoid pigments are present in No options given. 11. In human patient fevers can end liver when A. Merozoites increase their population in RBC and burst open the RBC. B. Sporozoites enter the bloodstream. C. Sporozoites enter the liver cells. D. Merozoites come out the liver cell. Answer: D. Merozoites come out the liver cell. 12. When an anopheles of mosquito bites a healthy person, it injects A. Merozoite, B. Sporozoite, C. Gametocytes, D. Oocyte. Answer: B. Sporozoite. 13. Plasmodium is found at different stages in man and mosquito. At which stage it can be seen in both the hosts? A. Ookinete, B. Male gamete, C. Oocyst, D. Sporozoite. Answer: A. Ookinete. 14. The gametophyte of vulva is A. Haploid, B. Diploid, C. Triploid, D. Polyploidy. Answer: A. Haploid. 15. An ascus develops A. 2 ecospores, B. 4 ecospores, C. 6 ecospores, D. 8 ecospores. Answer: D. 8 ecospores. 16. C. Fungal is related to A. Zygomycota, B. Ascomycota, C. Deuteromycota. Answer: B. Ascomycota. 17. Black bread mold is A. Rhizopus, B. Penicillium, C. Mucor, D. Yeast. Answer: A. Rhizopus. 18. Cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is composed of A. Glycolipids, B. Glycoproteins, C. Lipoproteins, D. Peptidoglycan. Answer: D. Peptidoglycan. 19. Blue-green algae, besides chlorophyll, also possess another pigment known as A. Phycocyanin, B. Phycoerythrin, C. Phycobilirubin, D. Phycodoglycan. Answer: A. Phycocyanin. 20. Microsporum furfur causes A. Athlete's foot, B. Ringworm ergot, C. Dandruff. Answer: C. Dandruff. Mushrooms belong to A. Zygomycota, B. Ascomycota, C. Basidiomycota, D. Deuteromycota. Answer: C. Basidiomycota. 22. Penicillin is obtained from A. Algae, B. Yeast, C. Mushroom, D. Mold. Answer: D. Mold.